This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas. Namaskar, I'm Ashok Vyas and welcome to Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas, and today's program is dedicated to a special celebration which was held at Yale University in the presence of King Khan. That is how he's addressed the famous star who you see behind me right here. Shah Rukh Khan was inducted into the prestigious series of names as Chubb Fellow.
Let me just get a general sense. How many of y'all have dreamt of seeing Mr. Shah Rukh Khan?
Hi, we're basically representing the ordinary population here at Yale. We are super excited about performing in front of Shah Rukh Khan today. In fact, the three of us are members of the Yale South Asian a cappella group, Surya Verital, and we will be singing for him Chamak Chalo and Chaiya Chaiya at the reception later today.
I love you, Shah Rukh!
On behalf of Yale University, it is a distinct honor and privilege to welcome Shah Rukh Khan.
This was Shah Rukh's second visit to New Haven, but it was the first one in terms of being his official visit to a university in the United States.
I'm very excited to see Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah, he's my favorite actor.
He's our favorite hero. We have come all the way from New York to see him.
Wonderful. Tell me about your feelings related this event.
Unbelievable.
Very
Like-
excited. Very excited. I wanted to meet him my whole life.
What is it that you like most about Shah Rukh?
I like how his movies are actually very entertaining, and he doesn't really get old. And even as he makes more and more movies, they're still just as enjoyable.
And this Chubb Fellow is someone who would inspire people to become good citizens. From that point of view, do you think Shah Rukh is a perfect fit?
I think he really is. He's somebody who has worked up to that caliber and level, and his fearlessness, his willing to look for new things, his hunger for doing better and better. I was like, yeah, why not?
Ladies and gentlemen, all lucky 1,700 of you. Imagine 300,000 times the number of people in this room. Around 3 billion people, 3 times the population of India, or approximately 1 in every 2 people in the world. That is the number of people that recognize Mr. Khan globally.
I came here 5-6 years back, and I'm big into education. I think that's an awesome thing to do, and I always had wanted to study in an institution like this. I came to shoot a movie here. It was snowing, but it was so beautiful to think that kids could come and study in an institution like this or an atmosphere like this. And I remember I used to keep going down to the small cafes and with little bookshelves, and it was just absolutely marvelous. So for me, it's one, very humbling to be in the august company of all the people who've been given this fellowship. And apart from that, it's a great opportunity. It's such a great opportunity. I wish my parents were alive so I could tell them that I have the Chubb Fellowship and I've gone to Yale. And I hope one day my kids can come and study here. I hope they're good enough to do that.
Oh, I'm really excited that Yale University is a part of this whole process. I think that's awesome that he's coming to our campus.
So you're a part of Yale University, you're a student here?
No, I'm a dean here.
Oh wow. Which faculty?
I am an assistant dean at Yale College, so I work with undergraduates.
What's your name?
Savina Dal.
And Savina, which is Shah Rukh's movie that you have enjoyed most?
Oh, I have loved Don too. I think it was spectacular, better than any Hollywood movie I've seen. It was fantastic. His role, the imagery, the directing, everything was a very tight story.
Crowd cheered, roared, and they were full of delights when Shah Rukh Khan appeared on the stage. He charmed the crowd with his heartfelt words about success and failure and how to live life to the fullest.
Shah Rukh Khan, you are awesome! I love you, Shah Rukh! I love you, Shah Rukh Khan!
Talking as an Indian, how today's event makes you feel?
I feel very proud. I really do.
You know, there were days when people would think that if you are going for movies means you are not good at studies, but looks like that kind of philosophy is changing.
I think, of course, a lot of our students are interested in the arts, and I think it's really important for South Asians to think about all kinds of careers and not just be limited.
All the kids here who are waiting, all the youngsters, I hope they're able to understand the simplicity of life and the vicissitudes of life and the issues that life has to offer them, and to deal with it with a smile. So hopefully I'll be able to make them smile a bit and make them feel it's all right to be having this life, and it's great to have this education first.
We're Yale's Bollywood dance team, and we're going to be performing for Shah Rukh Khan after this.
We're Rangila, and we're new on campus this year.
And we're so excited!
कैसा शर्माना आजा नच के दिखा दे आ मेरी होवे आजा पर्दा गिरा दे आ मेरी अखियों से अखियां मिला ले आ तू ना नखरे दिखा wanna be my चमक चलो wanna be my चमक.
You see, I can tell them my journey and my story a bit, but to be really honest, I didn't know I would be where I am today. I wanted to be a sportsman. I wanted to play soccer, a professional sportsman. I did kind of okay at studies, and then suddenly I became an actor without even knowing I would be that. I came down to Mumbai to act in films for a year. I never thought I'd last longer than that, and it's been 21 years, and they're trying very hard to kick me out, but I'm sticking there. So life takes its own course, and somehow you have to believe that you need to be prepared for everything.
Shah Rukh Khan's impression is not only on the hearts, but is also right here from his movie Dawn. I have this gentleman who is probably standing like Shah Rukh right now. Maybe, was it inspired by Dawn?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Dermis Bazar.
And people call you?
Don.
And this is what you have written on your car also?
Yes.
And why so?
Because I feel the Don name, I feel it's very strong. Just like in the Shah Rukh Khan word, that's what he said on his interviews.
And you came to attend Shah Rukh's lecture here, and then he also responded to some of the questions. How was the experience for you?
Actually, there was like a really good experience for me, and I think I liked the way he answered all questions. I like his all styles.
And let's have you share some of his styles in your own way. Any dialogue from his film? Hold the mic and take it away.
डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है.
वाह. तो but धन हमारे पकड़ में आ गए हैं. Your name is Dharmesh?
Yes, sir.
And what do you do?
Well, I'm a student right now.
And what are you studying?
I'm doing automotive right now.
Wow. So tell me, how is the role of Hindi films in your life here away from India?
Well, I like to be a part of a Hindi film, but I think it's like a long way for me to go.
But never lose hopes. Maybe, if not today, tomorrow. But lots of good wishes.
I'm so excited to be here to see Shah Rukh Khan. I am so madly in love with Shah Rukh Khan. I'm so excited.
See, unfortunately, actually, the field of work I'm in, and I'm not being cynical or mean about this, but back home in India, it's kept much simpler than that. They don't really believe that film actors or people in the creative arts would really be able to add to society. So I end up being just part and parcel of including your newspaper about gossip and nonsense, which I don't understand at all. And sometimes, yeah, it makes you feel a little waylaid that, I really want to do good stuff. I want to, through the movies that I do or the work that I do, I want people to feel happy. And I don't think the measure of any creative person should be done as it is fashionable here in America or in back home by the number of charities that I support or the amount of dollars or rupees that I give to the poor. I think what I am to give is the creative part of me, which has to be very honest, which has to be very clean, and everything else that I do which comes along with it are just peripherals, and hopefully I'll continue to do so. But my primemost job is to make people happy. I want them to come in touch with my work and say, okay, this was a good evening out. If I can keep it that simple. So I would see at this age and this stage of my career, I really do want to increase a lot of things that don't exist in my country. One of them being education for women. I want to make amenities for women all along in the smaller towns, toilets. I know it's a very simple thing. I also want to, give the option to youngsters in my country to have, the will to say, I can be a professional sports person or a professional creative person. These jobs are still not very developed in my country. So yeah, I would like to dedicate the rest of my life making it interesting enough for everyone to come forth and say, yeah, this is a good job, this guy does it, and he's doing well, and he wears smart clothes and drives good cars, and it's important that my parents allow me to do so too. So yeah, those are the things I want to do, and I want to concentrate on that the next 4 or 5 years in a big way, but in a very private way. I'd like to do it personally.
This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas.
Eleven of his movies have grossed over $1 billion. He's been nominated for some 200 awards, won around 150, of which 11 have been the prestigious Best Actor Filmfare Award. And of course, in addition to all of this, he's stolen the heart of countless and countless girls.
He also said that true strength of one's friendship is tested in the face of strong adversity. The importance of young people appreciating and cherishing their parents' love was again brought about by Shah Rukh in his address. He was also sharing the stage with this philosophy professor of Yale University and showing him around how when he plays a bad guy, the mannerism is exhibited.
I'm going to teach him some of the Indian dialogues that I've done from some of my films. Because, so you have to say it after me, okay?
All right.
So I'm going to teach you a bit of Hindi. So the next time you watch a Hindi film, you'll understand it a little better.
I do speak German.
Oh yeah, okay. Achtung. All right, so I do a dialogue from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai? Don, okay. Oh, Don, okay, I do Don. Don is a film I played a bad guy in. So they're saying you should do it from Don, okay?
Am I a bad guy or
you're the bad guy?
I'm another bad guy, okay.
So we need to, just stand here. That's, I'm going to use that in my next film when I'm playing a bad guy. That's cool, yeah. Okay, so say...
We do it together.
Don का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है सोनिया. Too long?
Right.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do the dialogue. I'll do the actions. You just do the actions with me, okay?
Okay.
All right. And just keep moving your mouth so it'll look like you're speaking.
Ah, okay.
Right, sir.
I can do that.
Don ka intezar. They love you. Don ka intezar to 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है सोनिया. लेकिन डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन. That's a makeshift gun.
I see.
Do you think was it cool being Don or not? Tell me. Okay, and I'm gonna request him because okay.
All of us at Yale are exceptionally proud to be the first American university to honor Mr. Khan. Mr. Khan, we waited for your arrival eagerly, and having you with us is nothing short of a dream. I'm sure everyone in the audience agrees with me too.
Firstly, it's not the absence of failure that makes you success. That makes success. It is your response to failure that actually helps to buffer the reverses that you experience. I personally have one response to failure: pragmatism. A recognition and belief that if one approach does not work, then the other will or might. Failure also gives me an incentive to greater exertion, harder work, which invariably leads to later success in most cases. Repeated failure has taught me to stop pretending I'm someone else. It's given me the clarity to stick to things that really matter to me instead of distracting me from my core. Failure also gets you to find who your real friends are. The true strength of your relationships only gets tested in the face of strong adversity. Overcoming some of my failures has made me discover that I have a strong will and more discipline than I suspected. It has helped me to have confidence in my ability to survive.
I was smitten, he was dreamy, he lived up to all my expectations. It was the most wonderful lecture I've been to at Yale since I've been at Yale. It was a pleasure. And I hope he comes out so I can grab him. And that's it. Thank you.
There you have it.
I think I appreciated his whole, his attitude towards failure. I thought that was really positive. And I think that was a very productive way to think of something negative, so I enjoyed that.
Failure is an amazing teacher. There's a well-known story of this very successful man, and a reporter asked him, "Sir, how is it that you always succeed?" And he said, "Right decisions." I said, "How do you make right decisions?" And he says, "Experience." He says, "How do you get so experienced?" He says, "Wrong decisions and failure." So do fail, and it's all right to fail. You have to know and learn that life is not just a checklist of acquisitions, attainments, and fulfillments. Your qualifications and CVs don't really matter. Instead, life is difficult and complicated and beyond anyone's control. The humility to know it will help you survive its vicissitudes. This is the second big word that I'd learned. Yeah.
Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow. What you want, girl, just let me know. You can be my chamacacello. Shorty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my chamacacello. Kaisa sharmana aaja nach ke dikha de. Aa meri hole aaja pari da gira de. Aa meri akhiyon se akhiyan mila de. Aa tu na nakle dikha. Wanna be my chamacacello. Wanna be my chamacacello. Wanna be my chamacacello. Wanna be my chamacacello. तू मेरी चमक चलो, तेरी पिक्चर का मैं हीरो, ये भी तुम दिल मुझको दे दो, ये कभी मैं चमक चलो. Shorty, I'm gonna get ya, you know I'm gonna get ya. Maybe I'll even let you be my चमक चलो. कैसा शर्माना आजा नच के दिखा दे. आ मेरी होले आजा पारी दा गिरा दे. आ मेरी अखियों से अखियां मिला दे. हाँ तू ना नखरे दिखा. Wanna be my चमक चलो. Wanna be my चमक चलो. Wanna be my चमक चलो. Wanna be my चमक चलो.
Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Once again, guys, thank you very much. Thank you, Neeta. Before I go, I really want to thank all of you for genuinely, from the bottom of my heart. This is the most fun I've had in the last 2-3 months. So, thank you, Neeta. Thank you, Isha. And all you wonderful people for coming here. I'm being so patient. And I feel with all, because they told me this is a serious evening, so I've really been intellectually stimulated by this dance. I hope you guys have also been, and I'm so glad you take little children into Yale also. And but thank you so much. I can't thank you all enough for your kindness and goodness. God bless you. And you do well. Thank you.
Shah Rukh Khan at Yale University, and he not only enthralled the audience, he entertained them and also shared his insight in a unique way, as someone who is known as King Khan may do. So here we are. You were a part of the audience here. How did you feel?
It was a great show. He's a great speaker.
What is it that you felt was really touching from what he said?
I think the best thing is that he's very honest. He doesn't like to pretend someone he's not. Like, he doesn't want to show that he's very sophisticated. He's a funny, silly guy, the way we know him.
Even if it was silly, he has been responding to it. And most importantly, what I like in him is that he kind of sent a message to the women. And I'm very happy to know that he is like trying to empower women, and it was very kind of him to project his little girl that way, so that other women are inspired. So thank you, Shah Rukh Khan.
Thank you, Shah Rukh Khan. And as we walk away from this wonderful evening with Shah Rukh Khan here at this Schubert Theatre in New Haven, where Yale University managed to rope in such a big star. He flew from India all the way just for one evening, and of course Ambani's helped him. And we also got some words from Mrs. Ambani about why they felt that this was relevant and important thing to do. Tell us, it has been great for everyone to have Shah Rukh here, and you have been instrumental in bringing him here. When this idea sort of came about, and many people still feel that maybe in the line of George W. Bush and Ronald Reagan, when you hear the name of Shah Rukh Khan Chubb Fellow, it's kind of very interesting. Tell us how it happened.
Well, I think Isha had mentioned it. Shah Rukh is a very dear friend of mine. And Isha had mentioned that she's got admission at Yale and she'd love him to come, and he had said anytime. And I think when she became the president of the South Asian Society here, she requested him to come, and I think this is the busiest time for him, for all of us, because we all, with our cricket teams and doing everything else, and he's decided to come here for a day. We're all flying back tomorrow. So,
wow, great. It was a great evening. How you felt? Were you expecting that it would be the way it was? Was it?
It was wonderful. I think Shah Rukh is just fabulous in everything that he does.
Indeed, he proved to be a wonderful human being. This evening, he made people laugh. He also sort of pulled them in his own inimicable way towards the area where they would think to be honest, and of course would dare to be silly. And as we wind up from this wonderful experience of having spent such an interactive and uplifting time with Shah Rukh, one thing which he said from whatever he has been doing and is continuously doing, the most important thing for him is to make people smile. And of course he said that if saying a dialogue makes people happy, he's willing to do that. If by dancing and demonstrating some steps from a film song like Chammak Challo makes people smile, he's ready to do that. And what he said, he also lived up to his words. This is Ashok Vyas with the wonderful camera person from ITV, Sarabjit Singh Happy, reporting for ITV. This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas.